This is my 1937 Underwood Noiseless Portable typewriter. I got it in the summer of 2013. Works very well overall, and the condition is in very good shape overall. A few minor nicks here and there, but otherwise it's in pretty good shape. A little while after I got it, I replaced the rear feed rollers. But other than that, works pretty well. The carriage is locked, so you pull this knob out, and to lock it you push this lever down and it'll click, and you push the knob in and that locks the carriage. And then over here, when you're going to use the machine, you fold up your return lever, and when you're going to put it in the case you fold it down like that. I always liked that on these earlier noiseless portables, a cool little feature. You've got your line selector switch here, 2 spaces. You've got a carriage release there, and over here, this is your paper release here. You've got your paper fingers here. You've got this device down here on either side. I'm not sure what that's used for. Perhaps it's for a business card or something when you need these to hold a small piece of paper in place. Not really sure, but you got your spool caps here and here. You have your ribbon reversal buttons on either side there. Your color selector switch here. Basic keyboard. Your shift key, shift lock, carriage shifted. Margin release, the spring is missing on this one, so I have to raise the margin release back up when or after I've used it, so it doesn't, I've had that happen where I've forgotten to raise it back up and move the carriage back over, and I bypass the left-hand margin, and then this paper finger moves out of place, and not a major inconvenience, but you just have to be on your guard. And of course your backspacer over here. But overall, a pretty good machine. It works very well. It has a different feel, as most people will say. They do have a different feel, but I actually prefer these machines' feel to a regular typewriter. But it is definitely different. You have to get used to it. Alright, we'll show you it in use. There you go. The A key on this machine is a little tricky. Sometimes it works, and other times it doesn't want to trip the escapement, but it works as long as you're on your guard. But a very cool machine overall. I'm a fan of this machine. That's the 1937 Underwood Noiseless Portable Typewriter.